chemicals grind, it's a predictable.
There we go. That's so fun. Whoa. Let's go. This is crazy. Yes, this is, all right, this is coming together real nice. It's July 30th, and every day we're going to be creating something with AI. Today I'm going to be creating a website. I want to look like this funky retro website that I found during South by Southwest. I'm going to use it as a general image reference, and then I'm also going to come up with my own ideas. And one of the things that this website does is it lets you play music directly in the site. And so I want to do that same exact thing, except I want to add some additional features and change some of the style elements around. So I'm basically adding one idea, and then I'm basically having ChatGPT organize it in a proper manner. So this is my idea right now, but I want to add this stuff to the site. So now it's going to make it even more organized. I said have this make a more complete instructions, because these are going to be the instructions we give to Claude. The landing page will include a music player and user interaction features. Clean design with ample white space to show the reference image. The top section is two boxes side by side, left box, play button, right box, display button, and so these are all the details that I wanted. The mobile layout basically stacks them, so when it gets super narrow, it'll stack them. I want a user sign in, music feed, and additional features, and we'll go through this. So I am, of course, going to be using Claude. So I'm just going to paste this in right here. I'm using a project in Claude, and it has all of the starting files. And if you want to pause the video at any given time, you can see my idea right here. It's a basic landing page. There's two boxes side by side in the top section. There's a play and pause button on the left box, and the right box will display song details, including image. I'm just going to run this real quick. So it's first going to try and understand what it's making. And so I just want to make sure that it gets it. So it's a landing page. Users arrive at a clean, minimalist landing page with prominent music player. The page features two main boxes, one on the top for player pause controls, user sign in, minimal interactions, one song per day. Songs must be uploaded as MP3 files with an accompanying PNG or JPEG images. The music player displays current songs, image with animated effects. This is correct. So the first thing that we're going to do is once we get past this stage, to build the backend from when it's starting, you're going to go to firebase.google.com. Then you're going to go to console, create a project, and we're going to call this Suno Station. And we're going to hit continue. Press the default account, and then you'll get used to these instructions. This is the Replit template. You fork the template. That's the first thing that you should do. Fork Suno Station. And so that's what you do. At the beginning, you are telling your ideas to Claude. So once you have that general idea, then just quickly come to Firebase and create a project. After you create a project, you're going to press this button right here. This is web. You're going to give your app name. So you can have basically a project, and then you can have multiple apps within that project. So this app is going to be called Suno Station. Then we are going to hit register app. This is going to give you your API tokens and your npm install Firebase. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste these API keys in here. So where it says API key, we're just going to put into our template on Replit right here. We're going to paste this API key, update secret. And then we're going to do that for all of them. Then we're going to come in here, we're going to copy this npm install, and we're going to go to the shell up here, and we're just going to paste that in right here and hit enter. And this is going to start doing some magical stuff that I don't really know what it means. So while that's going, let's go ahead and go back to our Claude here. I'm glad the understanding is correct. Here's the plan to create this app in Replit. And we're just going to listen to it. So here is the package.json file. We're going to copy this. And so this is going to go to package.json. And we're just going to copy and paste this stuff. This is going to src Firebase TypeScript. But let's create a new file. And this file is going to be in the source file. So we are going to press this button right here, add file, and we are going to do firebase.ts. And let's go ahead and paste this in. And we just put those in. So this document right here points at those API keys that we just put in. So now we should be good and set up to that Firebase. So now we're doing app.tsx, paste. Now let's create landing page. So this landing page is going to be in the components folder. So we're going to copy this, go over to the source, add folder, call it components, and then we are going to add a file. This is going to be landing page. So now we need to create components user dashboard. And so we're going to go over here. We're going to create components, add file, user dashboard.tsx, and then we're going to paste this in right here. Here we're going to have source components music player. So now we're going to have a music player. Boom. And I need to start just copying these names over. So we're going to have music player.tsx. And you can actually just copy this whole file name over and it will automatically put it in the right file. So I can copy this and copy this. And so if we just click out of everything and then click new file, and then we paste the name in right here and press enter, it should put it in the right location. Then what we're going to do is we're going to import this right here, import music player. Let's keep going down. Now we have the create source components music feed. So we'll copy that. Now we are going to create a file here, and it automatically went to the right one. We'll paste the name. Good. So we're going to add a file, and this is going to be musicfeed.tsx. So there's music feed, and then we're going to create source components notes. So we'll copy both of this. Now we'll paste this in right here. Boom. Finally, update the index.html file to include the correct title. And we're going to run this. React Firebase hook styled components. There we go. npm install save dev and type style components. Whenever you see this npm, just know that you need to paste it into the shell. I've done all of the items that you told me. Continue. Okay, so it gave us full code for all of these. Claude's looking good right now, not lazy at all. We're going to update the music player. Let's go ahead and we're going to paste that in. Then we're going to come back and we are going to components music feed. We're going to replace this, paste it in. Copy source components notes, paste it in. Now what we're going to do is we are going to do source components header. Finally, let's add a simple header with sign in, sign out button and vibe points display. Go into the components folder, add a file. We're going to call this header. We're going to paste in the header text right here, and there we go. Now we're going back to Claude. Let's keep on going. Now update the source components user dashboard to include header. We did that. We did that. Let's continue. And damn, it's just generating all of this code. Damn. Okay. So now we have the header. Let's update the header section. Okay. Now let's update music feed. And so now we're adding a new component. This right here, this allows you to customize the color. So we're going to copy both, come into Replit. Boom. Now it'll go straight there. Color customizer. Boom. Paste that in. Now let's update the app component. Source.app. Is that the full app.tsx and the full user dashboard? If not, please generate those fully. So here's the complete app.tsx. Copy this over. Boom and boom. Come back here. Here is the source component user dashboard. Let's keep going. Generate full code for the next one. So now it's generating the full code for the music one. And I'm going to start having it go one by one because these are getting longer. Here's the full code for an updated music player. Boom. Updated music feed. Boom. And here is an updated user dashboard. Within Firebase, after you have entered in your keys, what you need to do is you need to go here. We need to go to build, and then we need to go to Firestore database. We're going to hit create database. And then we're going to put for database ID, we're going to leave that. We're just going to hit next. And then we're going to start in production mode, and then we're going to start a collection, and we're going to add, and we're just going to make sure that we have a collection here, make sure that we have rules. And then after we do this, we're going to go to build, and we're going to go to authentication. And what we want to do real quick is make sure that our account has proper access. So we want to get started with authentication, and we want to be able to sign in with Google. And within Google, what we want to do is press this enable button. And then what we're going to do here is we are going to put the support email, which is my main email, and we're going to hit save. And now we have that enabled. We have settings. We need to go authorize domains. We basically need to give permission for this Replit server, or whatever the hell you call it, to have access to this. So we're going to go like this. And we're going to copy this link right here. We're going to go back here and we're going to paste this in, and we're going to hit add, and we basically just added that in right there as a domain. So now it should be connected. We also need to do storage. So you need to go to storage, and then it's basically the same thing. Get started for storage, production mode, done. Okay, rules. Okay, so I am testing it. I have created a database, created the Google sign-in, created the authentication, and then uploaded the Replit dev domain to the authorized domains. I created the storage as well, and they have the default rules. Do I need to do anything there? Okay, what should the rules be for Firebase? So here are the new rules. So these are rules that you have to keep updated based on your code that allows certain users to do certain things. So here's the Firestore database, which we go to rules, and we're going to paste this in publish. Okay, here it is so far. So we can sign in with Google. Good. We have a user. We can sign in. No errors yet. All right. Okay. So now let's generate a song on Suno. That sounds like him.
Cracked open my eyes to a world feeling still. Concrete jungles grind, it's a predictable tale. Found a man painting chaos on a blank brick wall. Colors screaming loud, breaking free from the crawl. And it struck me, this wasn't just random or wild. Creation's a riot, a call from a child.
So now we have both of what we need. And then we're going to choose an image, the PNG, upload song. Okay, so we have insufficient permissions. That's okay. So we need to basically test this. So we got an error, right? This is the error that we got in the Firebase when we ran the code. I just ran the code and it gave me this error. Okay, so now we need to replace the existing rules. So we're going to go to Firestore database, and we are going to very quickly go to Firestore rules, paste. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do storage rules. So we need to go to storage. These are current storage rules. Are you sure? Okay. Let's see if we still get the error. Let's go out like this. Let's stop this run and let's run it again. Song title test, artist name test. Let's choose the file here. This one, and then this image here. and then upload song. All right, well, that's pretty cool. This works. This is actually a good foundation. I'm surprised this all worked. It's nice when the storage aspect works as well. But we're signed in here. We can sign out again. We can sign in with Google. And we're going to sign in with RileyKirkwoodBrown@gmail.com. And it even has my music feed saved. And I can write notes here. This is music feed. Oh, so this is the song that I made. So you can see the music feed. So it'll actually show everyone's music feed here. But we can play this. So this is all attached to our own profile. So this is a song feed. You can only enter a song in once. So we actually need to change this. So hello, this is Riley. This is a test note. And we can save notes, hopefully. Nope, we got a problem. Insufficient permission. Okay, so first, I want you to generate new rules given that I just tried to use the notes feature and it gave me this. Then, briefly in one sentence, tell me, actually in one short paragraph, tell me what's going on here. And then 3, summarize the app in full in concise bullets. All right, last prompt going in hot. All right, so now we're going to take the rules, we're going to update the rules, and then we're going to have to do the annoying process of resetting the stage here. Firestore database, we're going into rules, and we're now going to publish. Let's refresh everything, so let's give this another test. And so I am going to song title. Wow, this song is pretty good. And actually, before we do this, so the song aspect works. We can actually change the text on the play buttons, which is kind of cool. Let's try and do this again. So now we're creating another project for edit. So we're going to go to Replit. We're going to download all our files because there's a lot of changes that need to be made. And so we're going to just click this download as a zip file right now. I'm also going to very quickly get a screenshot of the file structure right here. And this is one thing I always do. We're going to come over here. We're going to go to ChatGPT. We're just going to go file structure in text. And I'm going to go like this. Come on. Okay, so we're going to copy this. We're going to start getting a little more screenshots of these. Like, look at this. That's just fun. That's good stuff. We're downloading everything right now. So here is the current code base files. We're going to paste this in like this. Boom. Now, and so let's start off with the current rules as well. So let's go to rules. Current rules for database. Current rules for storage. And we're going to copy this bad boy right there. Paste this one in. I am creating an app based on the code. What do you think this does? All right, so we have that ready. Tell me in bullet. Open up the files. We should have the zip file because we downloaded the zip file. This is loading up. Okay, now we are going to just start uploading everything. We want to get this, and this, and this. And I guess we can throw the error log in. So let's just go ahead and see what he thinks of this app. The first thing that I want to do is remove the limit of one song uploaded per day. Unlimited, please. And now it's uploading the music feed. So now let's go back here. Let's go like this. And music feed. Boom and boom. Okay, let's start over. Run. Let's choose a song, The Hammer, The Lightning, artist name, The Hammer. And we're going to choose the file on the edge of chaos, and then the PNG file, which is going to be this lightning one right here, and we're going to upload this song, and this lights up like this. So we can listen to the old one. Okay, now I know what I want to do. Claude understands where we're at here. So we have to go to the right Claude, saying, okay, nice. This looks amazing. Now I want to hone in on the design. I want everything more compact and to look retro and cool. That's a good visual right there. I'm going to paste this third one in. Look at how much white space is in the full page. That is the last one containing both of the modules. I want this app to be similar with same type of button placement and spacing. Generate full code for the changes I should make. Okay, this is going ham. So we have app.tsx. We're gonna go like this. Boom, 66 lines now. So we've done that. We need to updated user dashboard. Boom and boom. We have an updated music feed, updated notes. Whoa, let's go. This is crazy. Yes, this is, all right, this is coming together real nice. Oh man, that fired me up so much. Oh, okay, let's see if this works. Let's sign out. Let's start over. Start fresh. Let's think about this. That's pretty sick. Suno station, the landing page, so we can look up welcome. Sign in to start sharing and listening to music. That's pretty hype. I like this a lot. Okay, cool. What seems to be the error here? No idea what that means. Let's sign in here with my main account. So this is where it gets interesting. Why can't we play the song? Let's see if we can upload one. Let's just go download MP3 audio. Let's grab another cool image here. Yeah, let's do this one. Yeah. So we are going to go to Suno. Yeah, so we're going to choose a file. So music feed, song title. All right, we're close. Let me make sure I got all of them. Updated app, user dashboard. I think I did music feed. Okay, the upload looked like it worked, but the song is not playing. I want to scrap the music notes right now. Let's focus on the music player. All right, so let's just start updating these real quick. So app.tsx file, and then we are going to do the updated user dashboard, updated music player. Please generate full code for those. Okay, now it's doing full code for all. All right, hopefully it doesn't run out of space. App.tsx, that was the full code. Complete user dashboard, complete music player. Why is it so much smaller now? Complete music feed. All right, let's see. Actually, let's play. When playing the song, it was not showing the image. I want the image to be in its own box, like an iPod, in terms of layout, where you have an image on top and controls on bottom, like the OG iPods. Make these fixes. Okay, so this looks a little bit longer, so this looks good for music player. Boom, 103 to 157, that looks a lot better. There we go, music feed. A lot of the variables have this error. Okay, not sure what's going on there, but and what do we have for DevTools? Let's figure this out before we go to the fun stuff. Here are more errors. Please take a look. Generate full music player. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, what is it doing here? Oh, what the hell? This is hype. Look at this. So we can upload a song here. And let's go background. I want this like, let's make it like tan. Yeah.
Cracked open my eyes to a world feeling still. Concrete jungles grind, it's unpredictable.
There we go. That's so fun. And so, okay, let's test this full process here. So what we can do is we can go to Suno, and I'm just going to do create.inc. If you would think you would create .ink, you should not speak. Just create .ink. Don't even blink. Run and create .ink. And then deep soul, harmonic.
Would think you would create .ink.
Yep, this is the one. All right, that's all I needed to hear. Let's download this. And we're gonna upload a song here. And we're gonna call this one create.ink. And then we'll upload the song.
You would think you would create .ink. You should not speak. Just create .ink. Don't even blink. Run and create .ink. Just create .ink. Just create .ink.